Hello everyone, in this video I will explain to you how to create an account on ChatGPT. The application opens with this interface. We click on Continue. To create an account on ChatGPT, click on Sign Up. Here we will click on Sign Up again. Here I will add the email to create the account. After adding the email, click Continue. Here we will add a password for the account and it must consist of 12 characters. After adding the password, click Continue. Here I will add the code that was sent via the email used to create the account. Then we click on Continue. Here we will write the full name and add the date of birth. Then we click on Continue. Here I will click on Not Now. Now you can chat with artificial intelligence using ChatGPT. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.